You know what? Chinese prefer to use big, general words, and that makes words sometimes not translate equally. Like the color huang, which is usually translated as yellow, is actually a big family, including yellow, gold, orange, khaki, etc. So huang and yellow often don't match that well, and this can cause misunderstandings. Like huang in China often refers to gold, right? And that can relate to the emperor, the supremacy. So when in 18th century European anthropologists decided to classify East Asians as the yellow race, that must have delivered a lot more information to Chinese people than those 18th century European anthropologists thought. And they definitely didn't mean that, right? So that's how word differences can create misleading information. And there are other examples, like when a Chinese sees a cow and a sheep, they'll tell you there's a niu and a yang, but actually niu can refer to cattle. A cow, a buffalo, a bison, they can all be called niu. And yang actually refers to cabrids, which includes both sheep and goats. So when you see yang rou, by the way, rou means meat on a menu in a restaurant in China, that could be meat from either sheep or goat. If you want to know the specific, you need to ask. And why is it like that? I think that's because Chinese tends to use compound words, which leads to general words being preferred and becoming everyday words. Because it's easier to make compounds, like 车 often translates to car, but it essentially means land vehicles. If you learn Chinese, you can find a lot of words are made up with 车, like bus is called 公交车, public transport vehicle. Truck is called 货车, cargo vehicle. RV is called 房车, house vehicle. And even the train is called 火车, fire vehicle. You can guess why, right? So those are some interesting things about word differences between English and Chinese. Hope it can help you understand the language better and learn it easier.